Welcome to JH. Lemon8, or Lemon8 as the transcripts like to call it, is the latest app haunting your phone and creator circles lately. The big question is it actually legit or just another overhyped digital playground destined for the app graveyard? Let's find out before you waste another hour of your life. Essentially, it's a lifestyle content sharing app for fashion, travel, and food, because the world definitely needed another place to see what someone else had for brunch. It offers simple templates and filters, so even beginners can look like professional influencers without actually putting in the work. It even promises a personalized feed, meaning the more you scroll, the more it learns exactly how to distract you from your real-life responsibilities. So, can we actually trust this thing? Well, it's available on the Google Play and Apple App Stores, which means it passed at least a few basic tests and didn't immediately set your phone on fire. That's a low bar, but hey, it's a start. Surprisingly, they provide an actual email, phone number, and physical address. Most shady apps hide behind a broken Contact Us form that leads directly to a digital void, so seeing a real address is a refreshing change of pace. They're also active on social media with nearly 300,000 followers on Instagram. Apparently, being consistently online makes a brand feel real, which is exactly what my therapist says about my internet addiction. If you need more proof, it's been featured in Business Insider and Forbes. Yes, we actually checked, and they weren't just making it up to look fancy. This kind of media exposure usually suggests they aren't running a basement scam. However, things get a bit spicy when we look at user reviews. The Play Store boasts a 4.6-star rating, though some of those glowing reviews feel about as authentic as a plastic plant. Over on Trustpilot, it's sitting at a 3.1, but that's based on only 2 reviews, which honestly isn't enough to judge anything other than the fact that those 2 people were very bored. To get the real dirt, we headed to Reddit, where people go to be brutally honest and ruin everyone's fun. The consensus? It has real users, but the engagement is about as consistent as my gym routine. Many feel it peaked early and now mostly serves as a secondary platform for niche content rather than a serious competitor to the digital giants. So, the final verdict is that Lemon8 is indeed a legitimate app with real humans behind it. Whether it's actually worth your time or just another folder on your home screen is entirely up to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.